What is going on, guys? So I just spent a few hours searching for a working method to get free Apex coins, and I've successfully managed to do that, guys. So this tutorial is going to teach you exactly how to go and get free coins in Apex Legends. It does take around 5 to 10 minutes, so just follow through these instructions and let's get you those coins. So let's get into it, guys. You need to use your mobile phone, have an internet connection, and go to this website, www.hotshotcodes.com. So you need to go to Hotshot Codes, the #1 coupon site, this website here. Now scroll down until you look for the Apex page, until you see it. So there you go, Apex Legends. Click on this page here. Now my internet's a bit slow today, as you can see, so let's just bear with me here. Okay, so scroll down and you can get 10,000 free Apex coins, or you can get a battle pass even. So select which you want. I'm going to go for the Apex coins. So you click on show Apex code, and this is going to give you a redeemable code. So you basically will get a code that you can enter in the Apex shop or on the website, and it's going to give you the 10,000 coins straight into your account. So you need to unlock your code. These are obviously quite valuable codes, so they are protected. So I'm not going to do it, I've already got enough coins, but you need to tap unlock code, unlock now, that orange button you see there, and there is going to be a new screen that appears with a set of instructions, and you just need to follow it, guys. It takes around 5 minutes. You need to complete a couple of free tasks to verify yourself, but it's pretty easy, and that's going to get you 10,000 free coins. So go to hotshotcodes.com, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. But it's pretty easy, guys. Just take your time, follow the instructions, and of course enjoy your free Apex coins. Peace.